Hi there, it's Stephen here from iPhotography and welcome along to our Photoshop for Photographers course. This is going to be a full A to Z experience of how you can use Photoshop to edit your pictures. I'm going to take you through absolutely everything that a photographer needs, give you a full explanation to all the different tools, how they work, when to use them and when not to use them as well. That's just as important, and give you a really good understanding as to how to edit your pictures in lots of different scenarios, whether you're a landscape photographer, portrait, black and white, wildlife. I'm going to give you some brilliant tutorials to walk through step by step, and you can actually see how you should edit your pictures, what to look out for, and all the different brilliant tools that you can use in Photoshop to enhance your photo editing. It's a great course for beginners if you are completely new to Photoshop. Maybe you've had it as a bundle alongside Lightroom and you've been using that for quite a while, but you've always pondered what can Photoshop do for you. This is a brilliant course to give you that full experience. All the different options about cropping, retouching, recoloring, adding layers, playing around with colors, adding lots of different effects to your images, so you're fully empowered that when you next open Photoshop and you want to edit your own pictures, you know exactly where to go, exactly where to find all your tools and buttons, and you'll be an absolute master of Photoshop within a couple of hours. So I hope you decide to join us on this course. Check out iphotography.com for all the details.